how to install Ansible in OpenSUSE Leap. Today we are going to talk about the easier way to install and maintain Ansible inside OpenSUSE 15 using the distribution repository. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about how to install Ansible in OpenSUSE Leap 15. The easier way to install and maintain Ansible inside OpenSUSE Leap version 15 is using the Leap update repository maintained by SUSE. Demo. Are you ready to make your hands dirty? Let's jump in a quick live demo of how to install the latest version of Ansible in OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE actually is available as a two different flavors, Tumbleweed, which is a rolling release, or Leap, that is the new way of a regular release maintained by OpenSUSE. Once you install it, there are all the information to download and proceed with the setup with offline image and whatever you will need. Once the setup is completed, let me connect via SSH with my user. In my example, I'm going to use DevOps and my target host is opensuse.example.com. Sudo su to switch to root, because it's the only user that can install packages, and first operation will be zipper, the package manager, refresh to update the repository metadata. In my case they are already up to date, but it's going to take some seconds to update through the network capabilities. So Ansible is available as Ansible package, so zipper info Ansible is going to show us that it's not installed and the version 2.9.21 is available. Let me install with zipper install Ansible, and it's going to perform also 24 new packages for a total of 150 megabytes more or less. Once we confirm with a yes, it's going to start downloading all the necessary Python dependency and all the other libraries, and that's done. It's successfully installed. Let's verify with zipper info Ansible, and this time installed is switched to yes. Here we are, so it's successfully installed. Let's double check with Ansible -- version, and here we are. Ansible is successfully installed on our OpenSUSE 15 Leap version, so we are ready to have fun with whatever you want. And we use the system repository that guarantees us all up-to-date features. Now you know how to install the latest version of Ansible in OpenSUSE Leap using the system repository. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and see us on the next lesson of Ansible Pilot. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.